Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the Goaycer 90-degree 4mm gold-plated banana plugs. You'll receive 6 each of the black-sleeved banana plugs and 6 red ones. These plugs are 24-karat gold-plated and have a right angle shape. The vinyl sleeves can be a little tough to slide off, but do need to be removed for installation. The length of both sides of the plugs is about 1 inch, with the plug's insertable length about 5/8 of an inch. On the lower stem are small flathead set screws on either side, one in the middle and one at the bottom. The set of 12 comes with 2 spare screws. The red connectors are identical, save for the color of the sleeve. Here's the audio cable I'll be using. It's 14 gauge AWG speaker wire, which is within 10 to 18 AWG that these can work with, and I have about a 1/2 inch of the sleeves stripped at the ends. You'll want to remove the vinyl sleeves on the banana plugs and slide them onto their corresponding wires. Typically the black will be used for the negative wire and red for the positive. Then you'll need a mini screwdriver to loosen the set screws on both sides. You can remove them fully or just back them out enough so that the wire can slide into the tube. Then insert the wire into the connector and tighten the set screws as flush as possible. If you haven't stripped enough of the speaker wire, you may have trouble getting the lower screw to seat flush with the collar, and that'll make it more difficult to slide the vinyl sleeve up over the connection. When attaching the second plug, it helps to orient the plugs in the same direction, so you don't have to twist the cable when you plug them into your speaker or sound system. Now, instead of clamping down on the bare ends of the wire to make the connection, I can simply push the banana plug connector into the back of the 5-way binding posts on my speakers. Keep in mind that the right angle might not be the best orientation for all devices. For example, on my receiver, the right angle ends up blocking the lower posts for the left speaker, so I'd have to insert the wires angled off towards the top or sides. Overall, these banana plugs were super easy to install on my audio cables, and work well to simplify their connections to my speakers and sound system. The wires are attached securely, and the connections are clear and reliable. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.